In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Toyota loan or lease payment due date. If your current due date doesn't work with your budget, shifting it can make managing payments easier. First, gather your Toyota Finance account details, like your account number and personal info. Then contact Toyota Financial Services either by phone or through their online portal. When you reach out, ask the representative about changing your payment due date. Be ready to explain why you want to change it and see what options they offer. Some lenders allow you to move your due date once or twice a year, but it depends on your loan terms. If you prefer online, log in to your Toyota Finance account and look for a payment settings or account management section where you might be able to request a due date change. Make sure to confirm the new due date and check your next statement to avoid missed payments. If this video helped you manage your Toyota payments better, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.